Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bootcamp number 3, where we will be talking about conversion rate optimization for online stores. So today's bootcamp is designed to equip you with the effective data-driven strategies to optimize online stores for conversion. It's divided into two parts. The first hour will be for the comprehensive overview of conversion rate optimization, and on the second hour, we will do a CRO checklist walkthrough. We have two resource persons today. First, we have Bert Padilla, who's the founder of TechWorks Digital, a professional freelancer specializing in ad ops for publishers and a full stack digital marketer. He is also an e commerce entrepreneur who helps MSMEs and business owners. He's a certified e commerce trainer, a training assessor, and a course developer for Digital Jobs PH, a program of the Department of Information and Communications Technology. Next, we have Amy Lozada, who is a seasoned WordPress web development specialist focusing in conversion rate optimization. Her roles and expertise in the BPO industry, virtual assistants, social media management, and CRO equip her with a profound understanding of the platform that positions her to provide a comprehensive real world training that empowers learners such as ourselves to reach our WordPress and online business goals. All right, so I'll hand over the floor to Bert Padilla.
Hi, Mitch. Thanks for that introduction. Good afternoon. Actually, good evening na, no? 6 p.m. Okay, so good afternoon, good evening, whichever fits, no? Sa mga nasa Zoom natin, hello guys, how are you doing? Kumusta? I'm not sure if some of you here joined our previous boot camps, but yep, please feel free to chime in the chat. And at the same time, doon naman sa mga nasa ano natin, Facebook Live, yan. Kumusta kayo? How are you doing? It's been a while, no, since the last boot camp. If you can recall, last year we did a couple of boot camps, and somehow it was temporarily stopped because we did a zero to hero program, and at the same time we did a training of trainers for DICT, yung web content management using WordPress, no, which essentially focuses on the government web hosting service and then the government web template. I mentioned that in the Facebook group because I'm pretty sure meron dito sa inyo willing to also service the government. So that particular topic is what you need, no? Yung mga standards when it comes to government websites. But yep, we're back now. We are here. We'll be doing our series of boot camps this year, starting with the no-code conversion rate optimization, or CRO, for online stores. And after this, we'll schedule. I believe it would be posted by tomorrow or by Friday, the next boot camp, which will happen 2 weeks later. Kasi nga, every other 2 weeks, magkakaroon na tayo ng regular boot camps. All right, without any further ado, I'll just make this like straightforward because we have a very limited time, 2 hours only to cover the CRO. And the thing is, with the CRO topic, medyo it can be expanded, it can be shortened, no? Pero sa tingin ko mahaba talaga siya. But I'll try to make the overview real quick so that my colleague Amy later on can focus on the checklist itself kasi nandun yung talagang entire contents. Okay? Doon sa mga nasa Zoom natin, can you please type CRO if you have heard about this before? We even mentioned that, no? And the same thing doon sa mga nasa live natin. I have my colleagues monitoring that. Ang dami ko ng screen, so hindi ko na siya makikita the single glance. But yep, please feel free to type CRO kung naano nyo na before. Kung na-encounter nyo na before yung term na yan. Even before we we mentioned that in this boot camp. Okay, so okay, meron ba? That means you have an idea already, no? When you if you type that one. If not, then parang lahat tayo siguro. I mean, most of the participants probably have just heard about it dito lang sa WordPress bootcamp.ph. But yep, it's like CRO is just like any other optimization pagdating sa website. It's just focused on the store itself, the particular topic that we'll be covering. No? So, yun. CRO, sabi dito no, sa slide natin, is the practice of improving and enhancing a website to boost the percentage of visitors who complete desired actions. So the desired actions can be the sign up form, can be the purchase, can be a newsletter, whatever. No? So madami siya. In the context of an online store, the conversion that we are referring to, or the desired action that we are referring to, is actually the purchase itself, no? Adding an item to the cart and among other things. So that yun yung desired action na sinasabi natin. And when it comes to the key CRO metrics, we have few here, no? Actually, these are the really top of of all the metrics that we focus on. The conversion rate itself, which is the percentage of site visitors who complete a desired action. So you have like a lot of visitors. How many of those visitors actually converted into a paying customer or something like that? We also have what we call as the bounce rate, which is the percentage of visitors who leave the website after only viewing one page. So they did not do anything. They just visit the website or any page of the website, and then they just leave the website right away. So that is called how many of those users versus the total number of users, yun yung tinatawag natin na bounce rate. Cart abandonment rate, the percentage of customers who add items to their cart but do not complete the checkout process. So these are the key CRO metrics that we are usually looking into. But you might also find some clients na they have other metrics or other KPIs that they look into. It depends na rin doon sa tinatawag nating objectives and KPIs nila, no? I mean objectives and KPIs nila. So yan. When it comes to the CRO, it's really the UX, no? That really matters here. It really plays a key role in CRO, or conversion rate optimization. And when we talk about that, we are referring to different elements of the website, like the web design, the site navigation, the page speed, no, the mobile responsiveness, among other things. So anything that will contribute to the overall user experience, that's what we usually focus when we are talking about conversion rate optimization. So a good user experience makes it easy and enjoyable for customers to complete desired actions, increasing conversion rates. Now, when it comes to the CRO, we follow a certain process. No? So 5-step process. We do research, hypothesis, prioritization, testing, and analyze. At the research stage, essentially we identify the problem area on the website at this stage. So we look at the website, we identify the problems. Ano nga ba yung mga problems ng website? Bakit hindi nagko-convert yung mga users? So that's the research stage. Hypothesis, we form educated guess about how we can solve these problems. Ano nga ba yung mga pwede natin gawin? Di ba? So if we have identified the problems, ano yung pwede natin gawin to resolve those problems? So that's the hypothesis stage. And then all of those problems na identify natin, we make prioritization, or we prioritize based on potential impact and ease of implementation. And of course, we do testing, yung tinatawag natin na multivariate A/B split testing. We do that, and then we analyze the results, wherein we keep what's working and then we rectify or modify what's not working. Now, the thing is with this CRO process, by just looking at that, no, okay, ito pala yung process natin. But when it comes to the checklist, you don't have to actually do the research. You don't have to do the hypothesis, okay, from scratch, because you already have the checklist. So hanapin mo na lang yung mga parts na applicable doon sa e-commerce website na ginagawa nyo, or na minamanage ninyo, or na essentially na e-commerce website that your clients or you own. Okay? So you don't have to worry about these steps kasi nandun na siya sa template natin. And when we talk about the template, ito yun, we have this proprietary template. We have a general row template. I'm not sure if you see it right now. Okay, ayan, nag-load na siya. This template, the one that you see right now, is that what we call as the general row template. Why row template? Kasi it's like wala pa siyang binago. Totally row siya, wala siyang ang tawag dito, wala siyang changes, no? This is doon sa mga nag-sign up for this template, you will have a copy of this, no? Sa entirety nito na wala pang laman. But we also have another template na ibibigay sa inyo, which is this field template for one of the websites that we own. So yung pinagkaiba naman ng template na ito ay may laman na siya, naka-indicate na kung ano yung ginawa, screenshots ng ginawa, at saka mga samples. So yun. As I've said earlier, you don't have to, actually kung titignan niyo siya, yung template na to, it follows the process that I showed in the earlier slide. But as I've said, you don't have to worry about this yung process flow na yan, because you can just go directly to the template. But of course, it helps, particularly when you are going to work with a client, that you have an idea na may process and this is how you're going to do it. Okay. By the way, about that template, my colleague Miss Amy will cover most of this, okay, in the walkthrough. And doon niyo siya ma-appreciate actually kasi hands-on na siya, hands-on na activity. Okay, so what's the potential impact of the CRO? Okay, so we have here the effective CRO can have a significant impact on your e-commerce business or your client's business. It can lead to higher conversion rates, increased sales, and improved satisfaction, customer satisfaction. And the most important part is all of the changes that you are going to do in doing the CRO eventually will have an impact to a healthier bottom line. Okay, when we say bottom line, essentially it's like the net profit. Okay. All right, so sabi ko mabilis lang yung overview, because we have to spend much of the time on the CRO checklist walkthrough. And the checklist that you have seen earlier is gonna be the same checklist na i-walk through ng kasama ko na si Miss Amy Lozada. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Sir Bert. Thank you for that wonderful overview for the CRO. And good evening, everyone. Again, my name is Amy. So we are now on the second part of the CRO Bootcamp training, which is the CRO checklist walkthrough. So let's proceed. Kasi sobrang dami ng item for the, as you can see, as you have seen at the presentation, ang dami ng nasa 304 items kung nandito sa checklist. So let me just share my screen. One moment. Okay, there. All right, so yes, this is the actual CRO checklist. So if we can see the overview, this is for the prepaid live. So live is it's one of the e-commerce website of TechWorks, and ito yung nagawa naming CRO checklist for the prepaid live. This is the general checklist. So as you see, there are 304 items, and I think the time won't allow us to execute one by one all the item, but I will do my best to cover as much as I can. So this is the general checklist. If we check here, this is the home page. So ito yung mga items. These CRO checklists, TechWorks kasi we strive to systematically do the CRO for each website. So meron tayong pina-follow na checklist para mas madaling, hindi na natin gawin yung lahat na na-mention kanina ni Sir Bert na process to perform the CRO. So, ito na, pinadali na talaga. Nilagay, nandito na lahat yung each item na gagawin natin. So, let's start with, we will use the prepaid life CRO checklist so we can see how we execute those item for each checklist. So this is the general CRO checkpoints. Let me show you each tabs first. This is the homepage CRO checkpoints. Then the category page, product page. Ayan, sobrang dami na sa product page. Okay, and then for the cart page. So, iba yung itsura nito sa general kasi nga, gawa na to siya. Ito na yung, nandito na yung mga na-complete na mga items, mga CRO checkpoints. Then, meron din sa checkout page, then thank you page. Sa general CRO, merong landing page. Yung items, checkpoints naman dito sa landing page are the same with the product page lang siya. So, for prepaid life CRO, wala na yung landing page kasi wala naman tayong separate na landing page for the prepaid life itself. So, pero kung yung website mo is merong landing page, you must retain the landing page here for the CRO and then you perform the necessary or all the checklist, the checkpoints there. So for general, let's start. Let's start with the first item. It says main pages or homepage, landing page, product page, load quickly for 5 seconds or less. So CRO, conversion rate optimization. Of course, we don't want to browse through the website if it loads very slow, right? We would maybe babobore ka tapos ay pangit ang website na to, punta na ako sa ibang website. So that is the first item kasi sobrang importante niya na dapat your website should load 5 seconds or less. So we can check the page speed of the website using different online platforms like the GT metrics, or we can also use Pingdom. So we use GT metrics. So we just have to, it's a free online tool. You just have to type in gtmetrics.com and then paste your website URL and then run test. So it will check your website and then display the performance of your website. So prepaid life got 97%, a grade A. So that is good na po yun. Maganda na yun kasi it means na hindi less than 5 seconds na siyang naglo-load if it reach the grade A. But of course, if you can reach 100, that would be a lot better. Then next is every page has a CTA, even for error pages, result page with 0 results, blog post about us page. So ano po yung CTA? It's a call to action. So importante yung call to action para alam ni customer kung ano pala yung purpose ng page na to. So call to action parang ano siya, kailangan every page meron kasi makikita doon ni customer na ay ito pala yung CTA kasi ano siya, dapat yung CTA naka-highlight siya or talagang parang ano talaga siya. Yes, naka-highlight talaga siya for each page so that yung customer alam niya kung ano pala yung purpose or yung mata niya is madadrive away doon sa mapupunta doon sa CTA na yun at malalaman niya kung ito pala, dapat i-click ko to, dapat mag-sign up ako, dapat mag-buy ako, ganito. Ganon. So, every page dapat merong CTA, even the 404 error page. So, kung meron every page, diba meron talaga tayong 404 error page. So, dapat meron pa rin siyang CTA. Now, let's check kung paano natin siya in-implement sa prepaid life. So this is the 404 error page. So yung main CTA dito is meron tayong search box, then meron din tayong back to home page. So good na yon kasi hindi siya yung default na for page na oops, 'di ba ganun lang yan. Oops, sorry, no results found, or the page you're looking for is not available, ganun lang yung default. So kailangan natin siyang i-customize para merong CTA even for the 404 page. Then ano pa ba? Things that are clickable, bilisan lang po natin. Things that are clickable, like buttons are obviously pressable. So, kailangan obvious talaga na pressable. I-visit po natin yung prepaidlife.net website mismo. So, ayan. Yung mga clickable ng mga elements ng website, dapat obvious talaga siya na clickable. So, meron siyang hover states, meron siyang, ayan, meron siyang changes pag hinover natin yung mouse natin sa elements na mga clickable. Ayan. Kung hindi naman siya clickable, so wala siyang effect. Yon. Pag meron kasi siyang effect, parang nalalaman or nagkaka-hint si customer na meron pala yung laman, meron palang link, or pwede palang i-click yung element na yon. Then next, pili lang po ko ng random ha, kasi sobrang dami talaga. The site offers wishlist, which is the easiest first step in the checkout process. So yung wishlist, hindi siya default feature ng WordPress. Kailangan talaga natin siyang i-add. For wishlist, we use a plugin. So if we opt to use plugin, i-maximize natin yung resources natin na yung mapipili natin is yung free. As much as possible, yung free talaga. Kasi syempre, di ba, sino ba naman yung gustong magbayad ng magbayad? So, we should look for plugins na ma-achieve yung CRO checkpoint na free, wala tayong babayaran. So for prepaid life, we use Yeet Wishlist. So it's a free plugin, pero meron din siyang pro version. So ito po siya, Yeet Wishlist. And then meron lang siyang limitation for the wala siyang option to show the heart icon na merong number dito sa header. So inano natin siya, kinostomize natin siya, konting code. Ayan, konting code, tapos maano na siya. Kahit nasa free version ka lang, parang pro na din siya kasi ma-show mo na yung heart icon na meron siyang wishlist counter. So next is the button labels and link labels start with a verb, example, shop now. Ayun. So dapat lahat ng buttons natin, button labels natin, verb plus time. Yun yung dapat na nakalagay para mas maano si customer na, diba, pag may order lang, parang order lang, much better talaga may time. So dagdagan natin ng time now. Now talaga para maano si customer. Di ba nga yung natin is ma-optimize yung conversion. So dapat ma-push si customer na mag-purchase na now na. So yan. Yung buttons natin, lagyan natin ng verb plus time, which is now. Yun yung magandang yun yung magandang gamitin. Then next, pili lang ko ng mga talagang importante. Importante naman lahat, pero sobrang dami nga. Ito, the website uses subtle micro animations like pulses. So same lang po siya sa nataas na checklist na kailangan meron siyang hover states, meron siyang animation, yung mga buttons natin, ayan yung mga clickable element ng website. Then, the site doesn't include annoying pop-ups at the wrong time. So, since goal natin is user experience, talagang maano natin ano natin si customer ba na maganda yung user experience niya. 'Di ba? Pag masyadong maraming pop-up na nakalagay na nakaset sa website natin, nakaka-annoy na minsan, lalo na yung mga pop-up na nakaka-cover yung mga important details ng page na gusto makita ni customer, tapos nabablock na siya ng mga pop-ups. So annoying na talaga siya. So wag nating kung meron tayong pop-ups like yung mga promotions, mga coupons, iset natin siya na hindi siya yung every 5 seconds nag-a-appear. Dahil sobrang annoying na talaga yon. Then, the top bar with a site-wide offer is prominent with a clear CTA. Ayan. So, dapat yung top bar natin, ito yung sa pinakababa, prominent siya. Talagang, siya, pleasing siya sa mata, makikita mo siya agad, mapapansin mo siya, attractive siya, and then it should have a clear CTA. So, meron siyang clear call to action, order now. Diba? Yun talaga yung purpose or yung goal, main goal ng CRO for our online stores, na mag-order talaga si customer. So, kailangan meron tayong clear, prominent top bar, na meron tayong ilalagay doon na mga site-wide offers natin. Like, for example, yung sa prepaid life, meron tayong free coupon. Kung nag-offer kayo ng free shipping, lagay nyo po sa top bar nyo. And then, ano pa ba? Kung ano man yung mga promotions na in-offer nyo for your website. Then, next, ano pa ba? Tapos for the search bar, tapos na tayo sa navigation, tayo sa search bar. Search results are clear, useful, and ranked by relevance and show how many results were retrieved. So check natin. Ito yung maganda sa CRO checklist natin kasi malalagay mo doon yung link nung screenshot nung page mo, ng actual page, para pag binalik, mas madali siyang balik-balikan. Hindi mo na siya yung hahanapin mo, ay dito pala yun, sana yun, ayan. So, at least sa CRO checklist, makikita mo na yung screenshot, so alam mo na, na-perform mo na yung item na yun. Tapos meron din siyang dito, meron siyang evaluation. So, kung good ba siya, meron siyang options, good, can be improved, bad. So, pag na-execute mo na yung checkpoint, lagay mo na yung good. Pero kung feeling mo need improvement pa, so, piliin mo yung can be improved. Kung bad, kung hindi talaga na execute, then not relevant. Yung needs plugin, dinagdag ko na po to siya sa prepaid life. Wala to siya sa general CRO. Pero pwede nyo naman siyang, if you purchase the CRO checklist, you can modify it naman. You can customize it as much as you want para maging depende sa needs ng ng website. Then next is, let's check. Hindi ko pa pala napakita. Ayan, the search results. Ito yung search results natin. So, rank by relevance siya. So, dapat mapakita dito sa search results mo na kung ano yung search, yun talaga yung first na lalabas doon sa search results. Then, next, ito pala yung mga naka-yellow, naka-highlight na yellow, nakalagay dito sa evaluation, needs plug-in. So, hindi siya, ibig sabihin, hindi siya hindi ko siya na-implement for the prepaid life. Hindi namin siya na-implement dahil kailangan siya ng plug-in. And hindi na namin, we decided not to install plug-in for the search bar kasi parang for us, okay naman na yung feature ng search bar. Pero if you really want to, to strictly execute all the line item for the CR checklist, you can download plugin. So, meron tayong maraming plugin for Ajax search bar para meron siyang autocomplete and auto-suggest. Marami naman tayong masisearch sa YouTube or Google. Search natin kung ano yung mga plugin na maganda. And as I've mentioned, as much as possible, let's use the free plugin para wala na tayong babayaran. Then, next, the search box contains a magnifying glass icon that clearly represents the search function. So, yung search box natin, ito, search bar or search box, kailangan meron siyang magnifying glass. Kasi pag magnifying glass, parang alam agad ni customer na search bar pala to. Diba? Parang magnifying, it means that you will search something. So, may enable natin siya sa search box natin, yung magnifying icon. And then, cart widget is easily accessible on every page in the top right corner. Dito na tayo sa cart widget. So, kailangan easily accessible siya in every page on the top right corner. So, asan yung cart widget natin? Ito. So, usually talaga nasa top right siya at kailangan easily accessible siya. Nasa header dapat siya, and then you can actually put it in the left, pero usually nasa top right siya. Pero kailangan talaga na merong cart widget kasi yun yung nakikita agad ni customer, di ba, pag nag-add to cart siya. Pag nag-add to cart siya, mag-a-add agad yun sa cart widget. So, at least mabilis siyang makita or mahanap ni customer kung ano yung mga item na in-add to cart niya na. Ayun. So, next is, dito tayo sa footer. Footer contains a back to top link so the user can easily go back to the top. Ayan. So, yung footer natin, kailangan meron siyang back to top link. Ito yung back to top link natin. So, i-enable lang natin to siya. I will demonstrate, mabilis lang naman. Demonstrate natin siya kung paano natin i-enable yung back to top link. So, customize lang natin yung page. And then, magpupunta tayo sa customizer. Medyo medyo loading. Kaya hindi ko na talaga siya madedemo kung paano siya i-ano lahat one by one. Kasi it takes time. But if you join our Zero to Hero Mentoring Program, we also cover the CRO checklist there. And each item talaga sinoshow din na demonstrate natin kung paano siya i-implement. Yun. So, dito siya. Sa customizer, then dito tayo sa general options. I-enable lang natin yun. Okay. Sorry, hindi natin madedemo sa customizer kasi nagkaka-problem, hindi siya naglo-load. So, doon lang po siya sa customizer, then doon sa meron doon mga settings to enable the back to top. Ito, scroll option. I-enable natin 'yan para pag napunta si customer sa, lalo na kung mahaba yung maraming element yung page mo, tas sobrang haba, di ba? Nasa baba na si customer tapos gusto niyang balikan yung nasa taas. Pag mag-scroll pa siya, masyadong hassle na sa kanya kung mag-scroll pa siya pabalik sa taas, so sobrang haba ng page mo. So maganda talaga yung meron siyang scroll to top or back to top na button sa footer. Ayun. Then next is let's proceed with the homepage. Balikan natin mamaya kung meron pa tayong time. Basta makover natin hanggang thank you page. The homepage promotes site-wide offers. Na-cover natin siya sa general. The homepage should be professionally designed and not overloaded, and it creates a positive first impression. So yung homepage natin, 'di ba talagang ano 'yon? Yun yung first, usually yun talaga yung first na nakikita ni customer pag pumunta sila sa website natin. So kailangan yung homepage natin is hindi siya professional talaga siya tignan. Hindi siya yung merong mga images na mga pixelated. Kailangan hindi din siya overloaded na parang nagpapatong-patong na yung buttons, yung images, kung ano pa ba yung mga content sa homepage natin. Kailangan sakto lang yung content na makikita siya, clear siya na makikita ni customer. Punta tayo sa homepage. Ayan. Na clear mo makikita lahat ng content ng homepage. So hindi siya overloaded and it is professionally designed. Kung yung ano naman, yung maganda naman sa WordPress is meron tayong maraming page builders like Elementor na meron na siyang sariling templates. I mean, meron na siyang mga templates na pwede natin gamitin if ever na wala tayong maisip na page design. So, nakakatulong din yun. Or if hindi natin gusto yung mga templates dun sa mga page builders, magpatulong tayo sa mga professional designer, website designer. Then next is, once you landed the homepage, you know the main products that the store is selling. So, pagkapunta mo sa homepage, alam mo agad, makikita mo agad kung para saan ba tong page, yung website na to. So, alam mo agad kung ano yung binebenta, kung ano yung mga ino-offer, kung services man yan. So, for prepaid life, sa hero section natin, makikita agad natin na meron tayong mga telco products or mga modems, diba? Yan. So, yung mga main products natin, i-highlight natin siya sa homepage. Mas maganda kung nasa hero page natin siya dito sa may taas, baba ng header. Yan. Then next is, let's see. Ano ba? The homepage highlights any specific deals, special offers, or urgency offers near the top. So, pakita natin kung ano yung dito. Ayan. So, meron tayong, as I've mentioned earlier sa top bar natin, meron tayong free coupon, meron tayong CTA, clear na CTA. And mention natin yung hurry limited offer only, or kailangan meron siyang urgency na ma-urge si customer na, sige, kailangan ko nang magbumili ngayon kasi limited offer pala to. Kasi baka yung bang ma-trigger yung FOMO or your fear of missing out natin. Kailangan na mag-purchase na pala ako ngayon kasi 20 minutes na lang, 30 minutes na lang, mawawala na yung promo na ganito. So, ilagay natin siya sa homepage sa top part ng website. Next, let's see. The store uses special category pages or bestsellers, new sale, 30% off that take users into a shopping mode. Yun. So, di ba, tulad pag pag nag-shopping, online shopping tayo, pag may nakita tayo, uy, may sale, 30% off, merong ano ba yung sa Shopee, yung flash sale, yun. Pag meron tayong flash sale na nakita, parang dun tayo agad na ano yung mata natin, sige ito muna, yung unahin natin kasi flash sale na to. So for categories dapat, meron tayong mga yon special categories na maano si customer, matitrigger siya na ay magandang mag-shopping ngayon kasi may bestseller offer, meron silang mga naka-sale, gano'n. So gawa natin yun ng special category sa homepage. Next is 641, bilis. The homepage contains an option for customers to contact the store. Ayun. Importante talaga to kasi what if mayroong question si customer na gusto niya na masagot agad, gusto niya gusto niya nang bumili pero meron siyang tanong tapos pag hindi mo nasagot agad, 'di ba? Baka mag-change of mind pa si customer ay mag-exit na lang siya sa. So dapat ilagay talaga natin yung option for the customer to contact to contact the support. So for prepaid life, we added this icon, the phone icon, and then nilagyan namin siya ng link for the phone number ng owner, for the phone number so that the customer can contact us whenever he has questions or any concern ni customer para ma-push talaga yung sale. Ayun. Kasi we also prefer, di ba, pag tayo, mas prefer natin yung meron talagang customer support. Para para ma-feel natin na kumbaga yung value natin as a customer na pag meron tayong mga questions, masasagot agad if we have that option sa website to contact the customer support. For social proof, eto. The homepage contains general customer reviews or product specifics with a link to the product itself. So, maganda kasi yung social proof na nasa homepage. Parang siya, parang 'di ba bago tayo bumibili, bago natin i-click yung checkout button is chine-check muna natin yung reviews ng product, kung talaga bang maganda yung product, kung ano yung mga experience ng mga customer na nag-purchase ng product before. So, importante talaga na lagyan natin ng social proof yung homepage. So for prepaid life, yung mga naka-gray na to, nakalagay dito sa evaluation not relevant. Kasi bago pa lang yung website, so wala pa tayong masyadong reviews from the users. Although meron na sa marketplace ng Facebook, pero hindi pa namin siya na integrate dun sa prepaid life na website. Pero since it's here, makikita natin sa CRO checklist. So, importante na na-execute po natin siya. Meron dapat tayong, the homepage should highlight logos of well-known brands. Ayun. So, pwede mo lang naman siyang, parang element lang siya or image siya ng mga well-known brand na ilagay natin sa homepage natin para si customer na ay, eto, kilala ko tong brand na to. So, mas, di ba, pag kilala na yung brand, parang, lalo na pag sikat yung endorser, gusto natin yung nag-endorse ng product na yun, di ba? Or ng brand na yun, parang, natin, sige, ito na yung bilhin natin kasi kilala na siya. Kumbaga, tried and tested na tong product na to. Well-known na siya. So, i-highlight natin yun sa homepage natin. Let's proceed with the category page. Meron na pang tayong 1 hour. Ayan. Users can sort category page. It should have example, the ordering by price, best sellers, new items, most popular, or most discounted. So, punta tayo sa cart page. Dito tayo sa view cart. Ayan. So, ay, category pa pala. But ay, shop talaga. Ayun. Masyado akong na-excite sa cart. Category page pa pala tayo. So, kailangan meron siyang option to sort. So, meron siyang mga filter. Ito yung ginawa natin for prepaid life. Meron siyang filter by price. Meron din siyang recently viewed products. And yung mga special categories, nandito siya sa taas. Dito talaga yung mga categories sa taas. Kasi pag nasa baba na siya, di ba? Ano pang yung, hindi na siya, kumaga, ano yung purpose niya is para ma-filter out yung mga products na gusto mong i-filter. So, dapat nasa taas siya para na makikita siya agad ni customer. Ayan. Then, next. Baba. Page description. Sa product card tayo. Relevant 3 to 4 products are shown per row. Ayan. So, meron tayong 3 products per row. So, 3 to 4. Pag sobrang dami na kasi pag ng products per row, masyado na siyang maliit. Hindi na siya masyadong kita. Yung, lalo na yung images, yung details niya, yung mga prices niya. That's why it's highly suggested na dapat 3 to 4 products lang siya in a row. Yun. Then next is consistent style of images is used for better scannability. So, consistent. Yung images natin, dapat edit muna natin siya para meron siyang consistent style. Hindi yung pagka-picture natin, pagka-picture natin from our phone, upload natin, yun na yun. Kasi wala siyang consistency pag hindi natin siya i-edit. So, tulad nito sa prepaid life, meron siyang, di ba, meron siyang watermark, meron siyang logo ng prepaid life for each image. So, inedit namin siya, tapos nilagyan ng logo ng prepaid life, tapos yung background niya, same, yan. Para ano siya sa mata, pleasing siya sa mata, better scannability din. Tapos, as much as possible, maganda white yung background ng product para naha-highlight yung product itself. And then, mas maganda same yung sizes. So, 500px by 500px, maganda na yun for product image. So, pag uniform kasi yung images, pag nag-scroll si customer ng ganyan, hindi na siya yung biglang lalaki yung yung product column, di ba? Maganda yung naka-uniform yung images niya. Ayan, di ba? Pantay-pantay siya lahat. Naka-uniform yung size ng product image. So, edit po muna natin. Mag-effort po tayo na i-edit lahat ng mga product images para mas enticing siyang tingnan for the customer. Ayan, meron siya consistent size of product cards. And then the category page clearly shows which product or variants are available for each specific product. So kung yung product natin is marami siyang variants, like if yung product mo is t-shirts, meron siyang different sizes, different colors, maraming variants yung product. So kailangan yung category page, it clearly shows those product variants. And then, sa filters tayo, category page offers easy to understand and useful, especially on mobile filters. So, yung category page natin, wala siyang, konti lang kasi yung categories ng prepaid life. So, ayan o, Smart Globe. Best special offer. So, wala na siyang filter for the categories kasi kaya naman siya sa isang isang lagayan lang, ilagay mo na siya sa isang section na yan sa taas. So, kaya naman. Pero kung sobrang dami nga ng categories ng product, so, dapat meron tayong filter na ilagay. Like dito, meron tayong filter by price. So kung sobrang dami ng categories, lagyan natin dito ng option for filter by categories. Ganun. Next is the most popular filters are shown at the top of the filters. So for prepaid life, yung filter natin is yung price. Kasi wala tayong ibang filters na din na nilagay. Pero usually kasi yung price talaga yung, ano diba, yung ginagamit na filter. Parang kung ito lang yung budget ko, so hanapin ko yung mga product na suwak sa budget. So maganda talaga. At least meron, kung wala tayong ibang filter na nilagay, at least merong filter by price dapat. Then next is, ano ba? I think yun lang muna sa category page. Then, let's proceed with the product page. Ayan, medyo madami-dami yun sa product page. So, for general, sticky navigation with product name, excuse me, product image, product page sections, availability, old price, new price, discount, and CTA that hides when the user is scrolling down but reappears when the user is scrolling up. So, sa product page natin, dapat meron siyang sticky navigation. So, punta tayo sa product page. Click natin yung product. Tapos, X ko lang. So, naglo-load kasi sobrang dami kong open. Ayun. So, ito yung product page natin. So, dapat daw meron siyang sticky navigation na pag nag-scroll down ka, ayan, mag-show yung product name, product price, yung add to cart button, tapos yung option kung ilan yung item na i-add to cart. Para kahit nasa baba na si customer, lalo na pag sobrang habang product page natin, is mas madali kay customer na pag nag-decide na siya na okay, add to cart ko na talaga to kasi maganda yung mga information nito sa FAQs, yung reviews niya, kung meron tayong reviews, diba meron tayong reviews dito, nabasa ng customer, maganda yung reviews. So, mabilis na siyang mag-add to cart pag meron siyang sticky navigation. So, yung sticky navigation na to, ayan, nag-stay talaga siya dyan, kahit nasa pinakababa ka na, ayan. Tapos, pag mag-scroll up ka na, ayan, pag mag-scroll up ka na nandito ka na sa may add to cart din ng product mismo, mawawala na siya. So, yun naman is sticky navigation, default feature siya ni WooCommerce. Yun nga lang yung sa CRO natin is, diba, meron siyang product image, ayan, sobrang dami. Meron siyang product image, meron siyang old price, availability, new price, discount. So, yun nga lang, yung iba dito sa CRO checklist na to is wala na siya sa default na feature ni WooCommerce. So, pwede tayong mag-install ng plugin to achieve this kasi mas maganda nga naman pag yung sticky navigation natin is meron siyang product, yung product image, yung old price, diba? Mas maganda talaga siya. Pero for prepaid life, we just use the default WooCommerce features. So, na-achieve na din naman yung sticky navigation niya. So, let me try if pwede na natin siya i-demo sa customizer. Kung hindi na siya kaka-problema. Hopefully. Kasi enable lang natin yon yung sticky navigation. Tapos, design natin kung ano yung kulay. Ayun. Pero feeling ko, hindi talaga siya. So, yun. Sa customizer lang natin siya isa-set. I-enable natin yung sa WooCommerce, yung sticky navigation. Then next, product page is an option for potential customers to ask questions. So, na-mention na to sa homepage, di ba, na kailangan merong option for the customer to ask questions like kung meron tayong chat na live chat na i-integrate sa website natin, kailangan meron din siya sa homepage, meron din siya sa product page. Para pag si customer merong tanong about sa product na to is mabilis lang natin siyang masagot. Mabilis niyang makuha yung sagot na gusto niya at mag-push through yung sale. So, for prepaid life, nandito pa rin yung option na yun dito sa homepage. Ayan, dito lang namin siya nilagay sa homepage, sa product page, sa header. So, yung header naman is naka-display siya for almost all the pages except for the checkout page. So, makikita na agad, visible na agad yung contact support na feature ng website. Then, next, product contains breadcrumbs. Dito na tayo sa product overview. Product titles are descriptive. So, nilagay ko dito sa evaluation is can be improved. Kasi dapat yung product title, descriptive talaga siya. Kung yung product mo is t-shirt, so blue, red, meron siyang or kung hindi man color yung gawin mong description, meron siyang cotton ba siya, kung ano yung type ng tela, or kung ano man yung magandang i-describe dun sa product mo para nakakapag kasi, kumbaga na aside sa meron ka ng image, yung product title mo mismo is nade-describe, pag descriptive siya, parang nakakatulong siya sa pag-enhance na sa ni customer, pag-visualize ni customer sa kung ano talaga yung itsura ng product mo, di ba? Kasi minsan lalo na pag yung image natin is hindi talaga siya good quality, which is hindi siya advisable for CRO. Kung hindi maganda yung quality ng image natin, at least yung product title is na-describe na yung item mismo. So, alam ni customer na ito, gusto ko to. Soft, kung may mga ganun na description, di ba? Soft, silky, smooth, kung ano man yun. So, dapat gawin natin siya for the product description. So, for prepaid live, ang ginawa namin for the product title is kung ano yung product name lang mismo. So, kaya nilagyan ko siya ng evaluation na can be improved. So, next, the main product title is visually prominent compared to other content. So, yung yung product title is mas malaki siya, prominent siya, mas malaki yung size niya. Ito, ng font size, compared sa ibang element or other information ng products. Kasi, yun yung dapat na makita agad ni customer na ito yung product title kasi yun yung pinakamalaking content doon sa product page. And para hindi magtaka si customer, ano nga yung name neto? Ito ba yung talaga yung hinahanap ko? Ay, ito pala. Kasi makikita agad niya yung malaking, if prominent, visually prominent yung product title. Next is the main product photo is attractive. So, ayan, importante talaga na attractive yung main product photo natin. Hindi siya pixelated. Mag-invest po tayo sa quality images ng products. So, kung wala tayong mga SLR cameras, yung phone, marami naman ng mga murang phone na na kaya pa rin yung ma-achieve yung HD quality ng image. Diba? And then next, localized units for products are shown with different sizes measurements, example, cm, inches, or kilograms. So, localized yung measurements or localized units yung gamit natin for the product. So, kung yung target market natin is dito lang sa Pilipinas, gamitin natin na sa peso sign yung gamitin natin sa prices. Tapos kung yung products natin is by weight siya, by by sizes. So gumamit tayo ng mga localized units like kilograms, ganon. So lang naman, yung mga CRO checklist item naman is mabilis siyang intindihin, 'di ba? Basahin lang natin yung description per item. So alam na natin na at kailangan natin gawin na to. So unti-unti natin, research natin kung paano siya i-execute. Then next, pili tayo dito. The background color of the product's primary CTA differs from the other elements. Example, slightly gray. So, yung background ng main CTA ng product page natin is different from the rest of the elements of the page. So, dito sa sa prepaid life, medyo meron siyang, pag hinover mo yung main CTA, ito yung main CTA niya, yung right side ng product. So, ito. So, yung main CTA, meron siyang hover effect na pag hinover mo siya, meron siyang ganyan, no? Nag-green yung borders niya. Tapos, yung background niya mismo is slightly gray. Greenish to siya. So, different siya from the other backgrounds of the elements para ma-highlight talaga na yun yung main CTA or yun yung kumbaga main item ng product page. So, kasi yung main CTA natin, nandito yung add to cart or yung checkout na button. So, yun yung gusto natin na i-focus ni customer yung mga mata niya doon para magka-sale tayo. Ayan, para ma-push yung sale. Then, next, if free shipping is offered, it's highlighted near the main CTA. So, eto, kung meron tayong free shipping na ino-offer, kung ano man yung mga promotions aside sa ino-offer natin dito sa top bar, sa site-wide offer, kung ano man yung mga promotions natin, mga free shipping dito, ilagay natin siya near the main CTA. So, yung main CTA natin dito is add to cart and PayPal. So, sa baba nun, doon natin, o sa baba or pwede din sa taas, pero mas maganda dito sa baba kasi sa taas na dito yung details ng product. So, sa baba, ayan, makikita na natin agad na meron siyang free shipping option, meron siyang, ayan, order now, get free discount coupons, then meron din siyang secure checkout process by PayPal. Kung ano man yung ibang offers natin for that specific product or for all the products that we offer, lagay natin siya near the main CTA. Huwag natin siya ilagay dito sa baba, which is hindi na siya mapapansin agad ni customer. Then next, all shipping information is shown near the main CTA. So, yan, yun, yung shipping information, kung meron pa palang, kasi yung for online shopping talaga, meron talagang shipping yun, di ba? Especially if yung product mo is physical product siya, unlike kung yung digital products, which is hindi na kailangang i-ship. Pero kung yung physical products, yung products mo are physical products na kailangan siyang i-ship, so kailangan yung mga details for shipping, like eto, meron siyang plus, di ba? Plus 99 shipping fee. So, at least aware si customer na meron siyang shipping fee. Kasi, pag hindi mo siya nilagay dyan, tapos nag-add to cart na siya, tapos pagdating pala dun sa sa checkout page is, meron palang sa cart page or sa checkout page, meron palang iba pang mga additional na mga shipping. Parang baka ma-dismaya si customer tapos mag-exit na siya. So at least, dito pa lang sa product page, aware na siya na merong mga ganong charges, pero meron din namang mga free shipping options, diba? Then, Next is availability of the product is shown near the main CTA. Ito. So, yung availability ng product. So, for this product, makikita agad natin na meron na lang 3 in stock. So, parang ano din siya, matitrigger din yung FOMO natin ng customer na parang, ay, 3 na lang yung product, kailangan ko na mag-purchase, baka maubusan ako, di ba? So, maganda kasi pag nakikita natin yung, kung ilan na lang yung stocks, ganun nga, parang ma-urge si customer na bumili agad or at least aware si customer na ito na lang pala yung product na available for that specific. Next is clear information is shown about return, refunds, and money back guarantee. So for this one, for clear information, to dito natin siya nilagay sa my footer. Ayan. So, meron tayong dito nilagay na cash on delivery. Meron siyang free shipping for a minimum order. So, ito naman, hindi na siya necessary na nandun sa near the main CTA, yung line item na to. At least nandyan lang siya or visible siya sa product page. Then next, express payment options are shown. Okay. Express payment options are shown and available that are commonly used. For example, PayPal, Amazon, ayun. So for this one, meron tayong PayPal option for prepaid life. So kung ano man yung mga express payment option na available sa atin, ilagay natin siya dito sa main CTA para kita agad ni customer kung ano man yung gusto niyang gamitin na payment options. Then, next, dito tayo sa social proof. Customer reviews are shown with a review title, customer photos of product, star rating, photo of reviewer, name and last name. So for the review, ayan. So for this product, wala siyang review kaya hindi siya nag-appear dito yung review. Pero pag ni-review yung product na yun, dito siya nag-show after the product title. Pero, ayan o, wala siyang review. There are no reviews yet. So, pag chinek natin tong product na to na mayroong review, so makikita natin yung link na review sa main CTA. Ayan, ito siya. Tapos, pag click mo yan, mas scroll siya dito sa review ng product. Ayun, yan yung review. So, importante na ilagay talaga natin yung review ng products sa product page. And then, next, visually stand out. Oo, naka-yellow, slightly yellow background siya. Then, ano pa ba? Product overall star ratings are shown and can be filtered by the star rating. So, need siya ng plug-in. Hindi natin siya na-execute dahil kailangan siya ng plug-in. Tapos ito din, product page contains the number of customers this week. So maganda din to na kailangan i-implement natin for our website para pag nakita kasi natin na ay marami palang bumili ng product na to for this day, for last week, for this month. Ayan, makikita ni customer yun. Parang maano lang siya na pupush siya na bumili din kasi legit yung product, maraming bumibili. Ganun. So, kailangan siya ng plugin. Meron tayong, we used a plugin like we can use Notification X or you can search on YouTube ano yung mga product na maganda for to show the product reviews or the numbers of the customers for this week. Or kung kung ilang customer yung bumibili each hour, each seconds, pwede mong i-set yun eh. For the, kung meron ng plugin, pwede mong i-set doon na every 5 seconds mag-show yung kung ilan yung bumili nito, kung meron bumili ng ganyan. Then next, dito tayo sa conversions and AOV boosters. Ayan. Naka-yellow siya kasi kailangan din siya ng plugin. Clear quantity discounts are offered near the main CTA. So, kailangan kung merong quantity discount, check natin ha kung paano siya pag na-implement. Ayan. So, pag meron tayong plugin na ginamit, pwede siyang maging ganito. Meron siyang clear quantity discount. So, pag bumili ka pala ng tatlo neto, makakatipid ka ng ganito. Ayan. So, di ba, pag naano si customer na, ay sige, bibili ako ng maramihan para mas makakuha ko ng malaking discount. So, maganda talaga yung ma-implement yung ganitong feature ng website. Next is relevant cross-sell or upsell products are offered. So, hindi lang yung main product yung nasa product page, kundi meron din dapat yung relevant na cross-sell and upsell product. So, ito yung upsell natin, kaso yun nandito is mga out of stock. Kasi out of stock din pala yung product na pinili natin. So, marami kasi naka-out of stock ngayon si prepaid life. Pero, importante na meron tayong ilagay na cross-sell or upsell product dito lang, sa baba lang ng main product. Para mas maano pa si customer na, ito maganda din tong product na to. Ayan, sige, bilhin ko na din to, di ba? Pero dapat yung products is relevant, related siya dun sa main product itself. Para hindi ano siya, kumbaga, may sense siya na bakit nandyan yung product na yan, di ba? So, dapat relevant siya and as much as possible, since yung purpose natin is upsell, dapat mas mahal, gano'n. Or lagay natin sa upsell is kung, di ba, kung ano yung much better dun sa product na tinitingnan ni customer. Much better option, gano'n. Then next, urgency triggers are used. Example, today only, Black Friday, kung ano man yung mga promotions na in-offer natin na for a limited time. So, meron dapat na urgency trigger. So, ito sa baba, meron tayong available products pa na merong urgency triggers. Ito, today only lang siya. Magkakaroon ka ng 10% off on these products. Ayan. So, siya? Dapat nasa product page din natin yan. Then next, ito yung scarcity triggers. Actually, natin to, di ba? Na-implement na to. For scarcity triggers, yung siya, yung makikita natin kung ilan na lang yung product na na available. So, for that naman, hindi na siya kailangan ng plugin. Kailangan lang natin siyang i-set for the products. Try natin kung kaya natin siyang i-demo ng mabilisan. So, meron pa ata tayong question and answer portion after neto. Kaya, ayan. So, for this naman, lang natin, isi-set lang natin siya dito sa product. Punta tayo sa product, then edit. Tapos, natin. Doon tayo sa manage stock para malagay natin kung ilan yung product available for that specific product. Kung ilan yung availability ng products. Tapos, mag-show siya doon sa product page. Ayan. Inventory. So, ayan. So, dito sa inventory, saan ba yun? Ayun. So, dito sa inventory, pag nilagay natin dito yung quantity ng product, mag-show siya doon sa product page. Yan. So, next is eto, customers are shown, ayun, kasama na din, kailangan din po ito siya ng plugin. So, customers are shown how many people have viewed and bought the product in the last 24 hours. Pero sa prepaid life, since wala tayong plugin na ginamit para doon sa feature na yon, ginawa natin, nagdagdag tayo ng section, ayan, visitors who viewed this product also viewed, ayan, ito, mga related products to. So, aside sa upsell, meron din tayong section for this one. Visitors who view this product also viewed. Yun. Then, dito tayo sa product description. Wait lang, balikan natin yung conversion kasi maganda talaga yung mga nanditong mga line items na nandito kasi nga we are focused on CRO, di ba? So, a store is giving away a small percentage of the profit charity. So, irrelevant siya for the prepaid life kasi wala tayong ino-offer or wala tayong binibigay na small percentage. Pero kung meron, maganda siya na ilagay talaga natin siya sa main CTA natin or sa near the CTA. Ilagay natin kahit nasa top portion ng page natin. Kasi parang naano si customer na ay nagi-give back pala yung may-ari ng business na to, 'di ba? Parang pag bumili ako nito, makakapag-donate din ako, magiging part din ako ng ano. So maganda din yung ganun na maano din si customer na mag-push for the sale. Then next, dito tayo sa product description. The product description is easy to read. The font size, contrast, single column, 75 characters per line. And the line height niya dapat 1.5. So, maximum 4 lines long. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng CRO natin kasi sobrang detailed niya na kailangan ganito, 75 characters per line lang siya, naka-single column. Ayan. So, easy to read dapat. Yun yung main goal ng product description line item na to. Dapat yung product description natin, easy to read siya, hindi siya yung 'di ba, yung minsan iba, yung sobrang haba na ng product description, parang tatamarin ka na basahin. So, ilagay natin yung sa product description dito sa main CTAs, at least 75 characters. I mean, ano yung nakalagay? At least 75 characters, oo. At least, 'di ba, hindi siya nakakatamad basahin yung product description. Tsaka, pag ganun kasi yung ginawa mo, mapipili mo yung mafi-filter mo kung ano lang talaga yung importanteng ilagay doon sa product description. Pag limited lang ilalagay mo. Hindi yung lahat na ng details ng product. Kasi meron naman, kasi yung lahat ng product details naman, pwede mo naman siyang ilagay dito sa baba. Dito sa reviews, meron pa yung madadagdag dito na tab for product description, tapos additional information kung sobrang haba ng ng product details. So, yan, tulad dito, 'di ba? So, kung sobrang haba ng product details mo, dito mo na siya ilagay sa dito sa taas sa product description dito. Pero yung short description niya, dito mo siya ilalagay. Ito, product short description. So, dapat yung mga nandito is at least 75 characters lang siya. So, ito yung product short description. Ito yung mag-a-appear dito sa right side ng product page dito. Yun. So, next is, kaya pa ba? 719. Okay. Product information structure is easy to scan, group information, bullet points, important benefits highlighted. So, easy to scan dapat siya. So, yun nga, kung sobrang dami or kung sobrang haba ng product information mo, wag mo lahat ilagay dun sa short product description para easy to scan lang sa mata ng customer. Dapat mas maganda kung naka-bullet point siya. Then, ano pa ba? Section titles explain the benefits and not features of the product. So, yung yung product natin dapat explain natin yung benefits talaga ng product. Hindi lang yung puro description lang na for example, blue, soft, ano ba, kung naman yung description ng product natin. Dapat yung benefits yung i-highlight natin kasi yun yung yun yung makakapag-catch ng attention ni customer na ay marami palang benefits yung product nito. Ito yung benefit na to, ito yung hinahanap ko, ganon. So, lagay natin talaga yung benefits dun sa product description instead of the features itself. Kasi yung features pwede na yun sa baba, yung sa mahaba na this product description. Then next, customers are shown all the things that are included in the product. So, kung yung product natin is naka-bundle siya or kung yung product natin is ano lang, for example, ito yung modem, modem lang siya, wala siyang SIM card, wala siyang ano pa ba? Kung ano man yung lahat na inclusion ng product, dapat nakalagay siya sa image or nakalagay siya sa product description. Ilagay natin kung ano talaga lahat ng naka-include doon sa product para hindi ma-mislead si customer na na-expect siya na yung nasa picture kasi sobrang dami ng nandun lahat ng like nakita niya doon yung halimbawa yung picture ng t-shirt, pinicturean mo siya tapos may mga nakalagay na decoration sa gilid ng mga ano ba, 'di ba yung mga pag nagla-live yung iba ngayon na nagla-live selling sila, 'di ba? Meron mga background na nilalagay ng mga additional item pero hindi pala kasali yun dun sa product na binebenta mismo. So, kailangan yung natin, yung product page natin, sino-show niya kung ano lang yung inclusion. So, hindi dapat nami-mislead si customer na may kasama to, hindi pala, 'di ba? Basta magkakaroon ka ng customer complaint. So, pag nagka-complain ka, usually ba pa naman na nag-review is yung mga yung mga may negative feedback. So, medyo konti yung mga magandang feedback medyo mas madalang pa yun compare sa mga negative feedback. Pag nagkaroon talaga ng negative na experience si customer, matik na yun. Ay, magko-comment ako. Parang yun, parang niya, defense mechanism niya yun na, ay, gaganti ako, magko-comment ako ng negative feedback, ganun. So, importante talaga na, maging detailed tayo sa kung ano yung inclusions ng product. Next, product page contains customer FAQs for each specific product as well as store-wide questions. So, importante yung FAQs para if ever na may tanong si customer, tapos halimbawa nag-browse siya sa website mo, tapos madaling araw, so kahit meron kang customer support option doon sa page, tapos hindi naman available yung yung representative or yung owner or yung sino man yung naka-assign dun sa customer support. Tapos nag-contact si customer dun tapos hindi din nasagot dahil madaling araw. So at least yung FAQs, possible na yung tanong ni customers nandun na sa FAQ. So masasagot na. Hindi na siya kumbaga, instead na tatawag siya sa customer support is masasagot na siya kung mayroong FAQ section sa product page natin. So, ito yung FAQs ng prepaid live. Ayan. So, ayan. Much to load, where to buy it. Saglit, inom lang ako tubig, sorry.
Okay, while we're waiting for Amy, I guess I just want to say this, na yung CRO is actually like a very long like steps to do when it comes to web development and web design. But if you get the gist, you get the point na once you have the skills, once you have the knowledge how to do it, and you are a freelancer, I think you really have a good value to offer for your clients. And if you are, kung ano naman, if you are a website owner naman, I'm not sure if may nanonood na e-commerce store owner, I think you already have a lot of ideas what you need to do in terms of optimizing the conversion. Lalo-lalo na kung nakita mo na yung laman ng checklist na ang dami pa lang kailangan i-revisit just to check no kung I mean not compliant, but if you are doing it or you are implementing that right now in your online store. So yan, yun lang, siningit ko lang siya kasi nag-break sa Amy. Amy, please proceed. Thank you.
Thank you for that, Sir Bert. Okay, let's continue. Then, product page offer product comparison. So, maganda din tong feature na to kasi pag may product comparison kasi, na ano mo ba, compare mo, nakikita mo na agad kung alin yung mas maganda, kung alin yung mas swak sa'yo. So, kaso nga lang, kailangan siya ng plugin. So, hindi na natin siya na-implement for prepaid live. Pero, ganito siya pag na-implement. Ayan. So, meron siyang compare products. Ayan. So, di ba, nakikita mo na agad na alin ba dito yung mas maganda, yung prices, nakikita mo na agad yung difference, kung ano pa ba yung iba dito. Yan. Yung mga reviews, ayan, nakikita mo na dyan. Pag may product comparison, di ba, syempre, mas gusto mong piliin kung ano yung mas maganda yung review, kung alin yung, para nakaka-save ng time kay customer na instead na isa-isahin niya yung products doon sa website is makikita niya na kung mayroong product comparison, kung alin yung mas maganda or kung saan yung yung mas best or yung best na product. Yun. Then, next, product description explains how to use the product in 3 easy steps. Yun. So, for product description, kailangan, mas maganda pag naka-bullets din siya. Kung yung products mo, meron siyang like sa prepaid life, tech products, diba? Ano talaga siya. Usually, meron siyang steps kung paano mo gamitin yung product na yun, paano siya i-install. So, lagay mo siya sa product description. So, pinakita ko na kanina, dito mo siya ilalagay sa product description. So, dapat, dapat 3 easy steps. So, kung mahaba yung steps, natin siya, i-paraphrase natin siya or gawin natin na kaya siya into 3 easy steps lang para si customer hindi siya pag sobrang habang steps pala kasi na nakita ni customer kung paano gamitin yung product, kung paano i-install yung product, baka sobrang complicated lalo na pag yung mga elderly customer or yung mga hindi masyadong techy na customer. Pag nakakita nila sobrang haba ng instruction, baka hindi na siya mag-purchase. So kailangan should be 3 easy steps. Kung meron tayong ganito or product description, steps doon sa product natin. Next, product page contains embedded reviews or screenshots from social networks or Facebook posts, Messenger. So, naka-grayed out siya dahil hindi namin siya na-implement for prepaid live. Irrelevant pa siya kasi as I've mentioned, wala pang masyadong review. Kung meron man, hindi pa namin siya na-gather or na-integrate sa prepaid live website. So, it is very important. Kahit naka-grade out to sa prepaid live, pero it is very important to to implement this kasi nga kahit ako pag nag-shop ako, nag-online shop ako, inuuna ko talaga yung reviews. So hindi ko muna binabasa yung description kung ano man yun, inuuna ko talaga yung reviews. Yun, dapat may mga screenshots from social networks. Importante yun. Ilagay natin siya sa product. So, sa product page. So, pwede siya dito sa baba. Ayan, is before yung page na to, pwede natin siyang ilagay dito. Yung mga reviews or screenshots. Pero, dito naman sa WooCommerce, meron na siyang default na na review feature. Yun nga lang, review to from the website. Hindi siya yung from the Facebook, ganun. So, yung mga reviews from different social networks, ano natin siya, i-integrate natin yun dito sa website natin para ma-show siya dito. Para makita ni customer yung mga magagandang reviews, wag naman sana yung mga bad reviews, yung mga magagandang reviews about the product. Next, ayun, tapos na tayo sa product page. Let's proceed with the cart page. So, sa cart page, the first item, the overall cart design is clear and uncluttered. So, punta tayo sa cart page. Wala pala itong add to cart kasi naka out of stock. So, dito tayo. View cart. So, dapat uncluttered yung cart page natin. Ayan, hindi siya yung madaming kung ano man yung mga gusto natin ilagay na hindi naman pala necessary, wag na natin ilagay sa cart page. Ang cart page, importante lang is kung ano yung mga product na in-add to cart ng customer. Ayan. Tapos, meron din tayong option na for upsell, lagay din natin yan. Ayan. So, uncluttered siya dapat. Next is urgency triggers are used. Your items are reserved for 10 minutes. Example, if you order in next 12 minutes, ganon. Yan, yun yung maganda dito sa CRO checklist natin. Meron na siyang guide, meron pang example kung paano mo siya i-implement. Yun. So, for prepaid life, ang ginawa natin is, meron tayo ito. Your cart is reserved for 0 minutes na lang, di ba? Pero ano to, matagal ko na kasing open yung prepaid life na tab, kaya naging 0 na yan. Pero at least, iset natin yung timer. So, mayroon namang timer na element yung WordPress or yung Elementor. Set natin yung timer at least 30 minutes. Or mas maganda nga kahit mga 20 minutes, gano'n. Or 10 minutes since nasa cart na si customer, di ba? Para makapag-decide na agad si customer na buy na, di ba? Check out na. Para hindi na siya, kumbaga, hindi na siya magkaroon pa ng maraming, or mayroon na siya magkaroon ng second thoughts ba? Mag-check out na siya agad. Then next, the cart page clearly informs the user how far away they are from the threshold for free shipping if meron kang free shipping na ino-offer. So, ang ginawa natin dito for prepaid life, wala siya sa cart page kasi kailangan siya ng plugin. Pero nandun naman siya sa product page, ma'am, nandun siya sa baba ng CTA na na merong tayong ino-offer na free shipping, gano'n, di ba? Pero pag meron kang plug-in, ganito yung itsura niya pag na-implement. Ayan. So, you are only, ayan, from getting a free delivery. So, aware si customer na, ay, pag nagdagdag pala ako ng more item or nagdagdag pa ako ng mga 100 plus, makukuha ko na pala yung free delivery, di ba? So, maganda talaga yung feature na to for the website, for the online stores. At least mapupush si customer na For example, konti na lang pala yung kulang, ma-avail niya na yung free shipping. Ayan, bili pa siya ng more products. So, more products, syempre, more sales, mas maganda, higher conversion for the website or for the business. Ano pa ba? When the user returns to the site, the items that they placed in the cart are still there. So, dapat pag I think ito naman, hindi na siya kailangan ng na-implement na siya. Gumagamit kasi ng cookies. Di ba pag nag-visit ka sa first, pag first mo na visit mo sa site, nag-notify agad siya about cookies. So, automatic na kahit hindi ka nakapag-sign in dun sa prepaid live, or dapat pag hindi ka na kahit hindi ka naka-sign in sa website or naka-log in sa website, kung ano yung mga in-add to cart mo, nandun pa rin siya pag nag-exit ka tapos bumalik ka ulit. As long as hindi ka nag-clear cache yung cookie sa sa browser mo. So, maganda kasi yun kasi pag si customer, di ba, halimbawa, hindi talaga siya na-push kahit meron na tayong mga urgency triggers, mga promotions and all. Pero talaga, gusto niya pa rin talaga mag-exit, pumunta talaga siya sa iba pang at least pag bumalik siya sa website mo is nandun pa rin yung mga inad niya to cart. So, pag decided na siya, mabilis niya na i-check out yun. Hindi na siya mag-scroll ulit, hindi na time-consuming for the customer. Next is all important product information is shown in the cart. Example, the title, image, chosen variant, quantity, and price. So, ayan. So, achieved na siya. Default WooCommerce feature. So, meron ng image, my title, my price, my quantity, and the subtotal. Next is the right product image is shown for the chosen product variant. So, example, red dress. So, kung maraming product variants yung products natin, kailangan kung ano yung pinili ni customer na variant, yun yung tama yung mag-show doon sa cart. So, wala kasing variants yung product for prepaid live. Hindi natin siya ma-show. Pero, if ever na meron tayong maraming variants yung product natin, iset lang natin siya dito sa products, yung variants. Ito, naka-simple product lang siya, so wala siyang variants. So, kung maraming variants yung product natin, iset lang natin siya as variable product. Tapos, dito sa attributes, masiset na natin dun yung images for different variants. So, iset natin dun para pag pinili ni customer yung specific variant na yun, yung image din na yun yung mag-show. So, next, the cart allows you to change the quantity of the product and automatically updates the cart. So, yan. So, meron siyang quantity. Pag kinik mo yung plus, automatic siya na nag-update dapat. Nag-update ba siya? Hindi. Kailangan natin i-click yung update cart. Ayun. Kasi default WooCommerce lang yung gamit natin. No? Pero at least, di ba, makikita natin na mag-update siya. Hindi na siya pupunta pa dun sa product page para is-change yung quantity. Meron na siya sa cart page na feature. Next is the user can easily remove an item from the cart. So meron tayong X button. Then the cart shows the day of expected delivery. So for the expected delivery, kailangan talaga siya ng plugin. Pero so since ayaw natin na mag-install ng maraming plugin, dahil pag ginawa natin yon, magiging bulky na yung yung website natin, masyado na siyang maraming laman. So magiging na siya, hindi na siya maglo-load na mabilis. So maapektuhan yung page speed niya. So dapat yung CRO natin is balance dapat siya. So kung nag-ano man tayo, kung yung item na yon from the CRO is kaya namang gawin ng walang plug-in, as much as possible, gawin natin siya ng walang plug-in. Kasi aside sa yun nga, magiging bulky na yung website, mag-slow down yung pag-load ng website natin. So, ang ginawa namin dito sa prepaid live is nilagyan namin siya ng element lang siya, text element lang siya na estimated delivery date next day. So, estimated lang naman yun, di ba? So, okay lang yun. At least, kasi within the Philippines lang din naman to. Tapos, nilagay naman natin dito, estimated lang siya. Hindi siya exact delivery date. So, yon. Maganda na yon. Kumbaga, may idea na si customer na possible pala siya na ma-deliver next day. Possible lang. Hindi siya talagang ma-deliver next day. So, wala pa rin misleading doon, diba? Ayun. Then, scarcity triggers are shown next to each item. Only one item stuck in a prominent color, red or orange. So, yun. May scarcity triggers siya. So, wala tayo dyan. Kaya naka-yellow siya, nakalagay. Needs plug-in. So, ganit. Wala pala siyang example, no? Pero, maganda siya kung meron talagang scarcity trigger. Pero meron naman dun sa product page, di ba? Meron na nakalagay dun kung ilang item na lang yung natitira. Yun nga lang, wala siya dito sa product page. So, if gusto talaga nating ma-achieve yun, hanap tayo ng plugin na free if possible. Or, yun. Hanap tayo ng plugin na free if possible. Or, kung kaya natin medyo marunong tayo mag-code, ayun. Kasi show mo lang naman kung ilan yung item na yun. Ilan yung stock for that item. So, parang kaya yan, I think, ng simple coding. Hindi na necessary na plug-in. Next, the cart offers an easy way to get in touch with the store's help center. So, yan, di ba? So, napansin nyo, ito yung help center nabanggit siya sa general, sa homepage, sa product page, and now nandito din siya sa cart page. Kaya, ang ginawa namin sa prepaid live is nasa header siya kasi makikita mo siya sa halos lahat ng pages ng website. So, di ba? Hindi mo na siya kailangan na isa-isahin na i-add dito sa cart page, sa product page kasi nasa header na siya. Maganda yung ganun din na depende pa din yung sa inyo kung paano yung siya i-execute. Then, next, information about returns, refund, and money back guarantee is shown. If on external page, small pop-up windows appears to divert the customer away from the cart. So, yung refunds and money back guarantee, nilagay namin siya dito sa footer. Kasi yung footer din, nasa-show din siya sa almost all the pages of the website. Ayun. So, yan. Konti na lang yung time natin. Bilisan ko na kasi may checkout and thank you page pa tayo. Ayun. Ito is a CTA area. So, the main CTA includes what will happen next. Proceed to secure checkout is the most prominent element and duplicated at the top and bottom of the page. So, ayan. So, yung CTA area natin, yan, meron siya. Yan, di ba? So, clear and prominent siya. And, clear kung ano yung mangyayari kung click mo yung, yung button. So, nakalagay sa main CTA natin, proceed to checkout. So, alam natin na pag click natin to checkout na yung next. So, clear yung next step. Then, next, I think dito na tayo sa checkout. Sorry, talagang hindi siya kaya. 1.5 hour yung CRO. Bilisan ko na talaga ng sobra. Next, the checkout allows the user to make a purchase as a guest. So, importante na kahit guest ka lang, makakapag-checkout ka pa din. So for this option, ano mo lang siya, if you are using WooCommerce for your online store, isa-set mo lang siya sa WooCommerce settings na makakapag-check out as a guest si customer. So, yun. Oh, ito. Ano ba to? Naka-login na kasi ako. Pero meron tong, pwede to. Dapat yung checkout page natin is may option for a guest to check out. Yun yung point. Then next is the form avoids making the user start again if there's an error. So, kung nag-enter si customer dito ng email address, tas mali yung email address, hindi pala email yung nalagay niya, dapat, halimbawa, hindi pala email yung nalagay nito, phone number, example lang. Tapos nag-place order siya, so mag-error yun kasi naka-ano yan, naka-set na yan na for email lang talaga siya. Mag-error siya. Dapat kung nag-error siya, hindi madidelete lahat ng information na nilagay niya dito kasi nakaka-annoy na yun na ay mag-input na naman ulit ako, ayoko na nga, doon na lang ako sa kabila, gano'n. So, kailangan kung ano lang yung error, yun lang yung maha-highlight. Or dapat, hindi dapat mabubura lahat ng information doon sa checkout forms. Next, checkout doesn't contain any outgoing links except the logo, navigation, and footer. So, yung checkout natin, ayan. So, napansin nyo, iba na yung header ng checkout natin. Hindi na siya clickable. Iba yung header natin from homepage to cart page, puro siya clickable. So, for checkout page, iset natin na wala nang mga clickable na mga buttons dyan aside from the main city which is the place order so that si customer is mag-push na talaga siya na ay mag-place order na ako, di na ako makapag-back. Kaya parang wala siyang option. Yun. Then next is the checkout page contains order bumps. Naka-yellow siya dahil kailangan siya ng plugin. Pero it is very important to execute this one, kailangan meron siyang order bump, skip the queue, urgent shipping, gift packaging, yun. Order bumps kasi meron pa tayong opportunity to upsell pa for the customer, para more sales pa din. Then, urgency triggers are used, your items are reserved for 10 minutes. So, ayan, dapat meron talagang urgency trigger. Importante talaga to, mga urgency triggers na to, ayan. So, ganyan yung ginawa natin. 56 minutes, masyado mahaba pala to, no? So, at least, siguro since nasa checkout na, lagay natin mga 20 minutes na lang siguro, mga ganun. Pero depende pa rin sa inyo. At least meron siyang urgency trigger. Then, wow. The user's email address is requested first. So in case they leave the checkout, the store is able to contact them. Ayun. Kasi yung pag nandito na si customer sa checkout page, natatrack na ni WooCommerce yung mga customers na napunta dito sa page na to. So kahit hindi siya nag-exit si customer, pag nalagay niyo na yung email address niya, matatrack na natin siya. Masisend na natin siya ng email na, ay hello, baka gusto mong i-continue na yung pag-purchase, gano'n. Meron tayong mga offers, meron tayong mga products. So, meron pa rin tayong way na makontak si customer para i-continue niya yung purchase na hindi niya na-continue. Kaya importante na naka-first yung checkout box. I mean, yeah, yung checkout field for the email. Naka-first yun, para first niyang ma-fill out yung box na yun. Then, ano ba? 1 minute. Okay, thank you page tayo. Ay, hinihingal ako. For the thank you page, clearly states that the user successfully completed the purchase and congratulates them. So, ito yung sa prepaid live na thank you page. Ayan, so meron tayong congratulations. Thank you, your order has been successfully received. And then, yun. So clear na nag-success yung purchase ni customer. Okay. Ayan, konti lang naman yung sa thank you page. And madali hindi isa lang yung need ng plugin dito, yung will arrive with what courier delivery service. So, okay, I think that's it from me, Sir Bert. Thank you so much for listening.
Kala namin use up mo yung buong 2 hours.
Ah, actually, first of all, thank you very much, Amy. By the way, doon sa mga bago pa lang sa bootcamp, I'm not sure if you have seen our program yung Zero to Hero. Si Amy actually nabilong siya doon sa batch 5 year 2021. Amy, tama, the ICT MC2 cluster na batch, no? So I'm just very amazed, no, na like she's able to do this na magturo na this time. So really good, no? Mitch, please go ahead. By the way, yung iba, no, patapos na tayo. I hope na you can already open your cameras para naman makita namin kayo, no? So, and then you just feel at ease na hindi na medyo seryoso yung topic pero inside the bootcamp it's really better kung you can ask question, you can interact with us, just like how we normally would do that in a face-to-face setting. So yan. Please turn on your cameras. Mitch, please go ahead.
Yes. It was a very long discussion. Actually, kulang pa sa time. Like Amy said, that's going to be all of it is going to be discussed more in depth in the Zero to Hero training. So while this boot camp is free until the end of the day, some of you might want to watch it more than a few times. So there's a limited time event offer, which is only until the end of the day. So currently, this bootcamp is at 50% off. But until the end of the day, there's an additional 25% off for bootcamp number 3. I will leave the links on the chat box in the chat box. Or if you'd like to become a boot camper, you can upgrade to a boot camper, which will give you an access to all of the previous boot camps and training courses, as well as future boot camps, which includes the challenges and activities and materials and templates as well. So I'm putting in the discount coupons in the chat box, and that's only available up to 20 users, limited to 20 users, and only up until the end of the day. Yeah. So if anybody has any questions, any clarifications from what we've discussed today, please feel free to unmute yourself and ask questions.
Okay, thank you, Mitch. While we're waiting for the question, no, I took some notes kanina dun sa discussion ni Amy. So nag-note din ako, no, kasi I just want to reiterate, no, some points. Dun sa mga nag-attend before yung sa page speed optimization na bootcamp, I believe you can really use that skill and knowledge to address some of the points or the checklist or the items. I may call that one sometimes as line item, no, doon sa CRO natin. Kasi nga it's very important for the website to really load fast, no. So as a matter of fact, may nagtanong kanina doon sa Facebook Live if I believe he was referring to the result of the page speed na headless ba daw yung WordPress, yung setup. I think the question was like, is it a headless WordPress kind of setup? Just to answer that question doon sa Facebook Live, it's not headless. The website that I showed earlier is not headless. It's just that we are able to optimize that website for page speed in a way na yung tinuro natin last time sa previous bootcamp on page speed optimization. Another thing is, by the way, the one that you saw, the checklist, no, was designed for an online store, for an e-commerce store. Here's the interesting thing about this, na particularly if you are a freelancer and you are servicing different kinds of clients, businesses, you can actually use the same template as a benchmark to tailor your custom template for another type of website. So for example, if you are going to design sabihin na nating portfolio type of websites or lead generation type of websites, you can customize that template. You can remove some of the align items, as I may call it, na hindi siya applicable. Okay, in other words, you can come up with new template for the CRO that you can propose to the client later on. Hey, client, these are the things that we can do to optimize the conversion of your website. So another thing is yung okay, this one's very important, no? Doon sa mga nagtanong din about this, the template will be available in the LMS, in the e-learning platform inside WordPress Bootcamp.ph. So yung mga bootcampers and the zero to hero participants can access that. No, we will just put it there, and of course, the rest of those who will avail of the promo that Mitch announced earlier. By the way, another thing is the plugins. No, na-mention na kanina ni Amy na there are some line items or checkpoints in the CRO checklist na out of the box, hindi niyo siya kayang gawin. So, I would like to reiterate that in cases like that, kailangan yung mag-install ng plugin. And of course, when it comes to that, may mga nabanggit kanina sa amin that there's a process actually when selecting a plugin, like free versus paid, features, reviews. You have to consider all these things to really pick the right plugin for for each of the feature that you will implement as guided by the CRO checklist. Ayan. So I think yun lang, gusto ko lang siyang i-emphasize after the discussion of Amy. May questions pa ba?
Meron tayo sa chat box. Yung CRO po ba is parang strategy siya para makakuha ng sales? Yun.
Sort of, yes. It's something that you can really communicate to the client later on. In your proposal, you indicate the things that you want to do. Kaya nga doon sa process kanina, this particular process, this one. Okay, let me just share this real quick. Okay. Okay, so the CRO process is something that you can, if you are new to this, you can study this, you can you try to understand the entire essence of this, and then communicate this to the client. It's part of this, and tell them that these are the things that you can do to optimize their conversions. And of course, if you need additional details for each of the stages, you can go to the checklist and put all of this in your proposal also. I hope that I answered that question.
Okay, another question. Ang laman po ba, paano gumana WordPress?
Of course, very, very good question, Princess. No? Sa video, ang laman po ba, paano gumana? Okay, meron tayong doon sa mga, because we have different audience segments, kumbaga dito sa loob ng bootcamp natin. We have newbies, we have beginners, no? We have intermediate, and we have pro WordPress users or WordPress developers, VAs, etc. No? Now, if you are really new to this, that is why we want to emphasize this na don't hesitate to ask questions like this, no? Yung mga pang newbie na questions, because you are doing the right thing so that you will be guided by us. To answer the question, Princess, we have a free crash course. That one is actually for kung paano paganahin sa WordPress, no? If I got the question correctly. So if you are yung laman kasi ng CRO na topic is pwede natin sabihin na medyo may pagka-advanced na siya, no? This is just to address all the trainees, all the audiences that we have inside the group and doon sa email list namin. But yeah, hopefully we'll be able to conduct in the future very specific boot camps na for newbies, for beginners, and for intermediate. But yeah, eventually sinasabi naman namin doon sa landing pages namin ng bootcamp kung sino yung target trainees or target audiences. So yan. But yeah, Princess, feel free to chat the Facebook page ng WordPress Bootcamp. Our team will be glad to really help you and guide you on that.
Any other questions?
Another thing, by the way, while we are waiting for new question to pop up, I just noticed earlier, madaming AI, madaming AI na nag-join. The idea kasi with the Zoom session that we are doing is we really want this to be more interactive. Right now, siguro at this point, medyo nahihiya pa yung iba to interact with us. Kaya sa chat na lang muna. Pero eventually, you will get some sense how we do it inside. So you can interact with us through, yung magsasalita na rin talaga kayo dyan, no? But we understand at this point. Now, doon naman sa gumamit ng AI, I just want to say, I just want to apologize, no, because we really have to kick it out. Tatanggalin namin yung mga AI na sumasali sa Zoom session kasi it defeats the purpose of having an interactive discussion inside the Zoom session. So yeah, may mga natanggal kanina na mga nasumali sa Zoom na naka-AI. Yan. Ilang days yung bootcamp? By the way, yung structure kasi ng bootcamp, na if you are new to our website, let me just share this real quick. Okay, that one. Ganito kasi yung structure ng bootcamp ng WordPress bootcamp.ph. So we conduct regular bootcamps every other 2 weeks yung target namin, like this one. So this is the current bootcamp. Then 2 weeks later we'll do another bootcamp, random topics or any topics that we will choose based on the feedback that we receive from you guys. No? So that's every other 2 weeks. We also have yung tinatawag nating Zero to Hero. And mag-i-end na kasi yung enrollment sa June 30. If you want to catch up, you can still catch up pa naman. Yun yung MWF or TTHS within 2 to 3 months. So doon yung mga talagang newbie na natatransform namin into sort of more experienced or pro na talaga na freelancers. Particularly when you really pay attention and focus on the training. Okay, so si Amy galing doon. Galing si Amy. Na-amaze nga ako eh. First time ko siyang in-invite, no, si Amy. Sabi ko, Amy, you are the web designer din naman sa team and you do some div stuff sa TechWorks. Why not I challenge her to become a resource person. So, ang galing niya na, no? Magaling na siya. So, virtual clap naman dyan, guys, no, for Amy. Ayan. So if you want to be like her, then I can mentor you, from zero to hero. Yan. By the way, last year yung ginawa namin kasi sa zero to hero, in-stretch namin to a year yung schedule ng training. But the thing is, may tendency na die down yung tawag dito, yung interest sort of ng mga participants. So we are doing it in a way na similar yung structure ng ginagawa namin for the ICT na 2 to 3 months lang tapos na siya yung Zero to Hero. Pero intensive siya. No, so intensive siya and it really needs full commitment of the participant. I can guarantee that with your commitment and with my mentorship, particularly ako kasi parang lead coach dito. But of course, we have the other teammates ng WordPress bootcamps to help the trainees inside, no, for that matter. But yep, eventually with the Zero to Hero, with the new structure of Zero to Hero na 2 to 3 months lang, mas mapapadali natin yung training period And at the same time, mas makikita nyo yung results right away.
Saan daw makikita yung free video sa WordPress?
Yes, yung free video ng WordPress nasa crash course dito. By the way, very important, no, nakalimutan ko to. I suggest if you are here and you are watching the session, I suggest that you really take it right now. Kasi there's an internal discussion. Okay, I'll just divulge this ahead. Right now, ito yon yung hinahanap mo, Princess. No? I-click mo lang yung crash course dito and enroll. Naka-free pa yan ngayon. But because we are improving this course, we are putting a lot of additional materials. Lalagyan na siya ng very small amount lang naman. We're looking at 149, 199 na price for this course for the entry level. So while it's still free and you are watching this, I suggest that you really take that course and grab that course before malagyan niya ng price dyan. I hope I answered that question.
Ayan. Another question, may internship daw ba?
Yeah, meron. Meron. I mean, dumaan din yan ng internship. Merong internship sa WordPress Bootcamp.
Any other questions?
And by the way, paid yung internship namin sa TechWorks paid yung internship. Pero you become an intern if you are only a 0 to hero participant. Yun lang yung drawback niya. Because we want to make sure na we are talking the same things, we are speaking the same language, okay? During the internship. Okay, yung 0 to hero na landing page, you can access that in the website. Just go to wordpressbootcamp.ph and click the 0 to hero. So nandito na lahat ng details. If you have further questions and clarifications related to the 0 to hero, you can send a message doon sa Facebook page natin. May nagre-respond din doon. Okay, so 2 days na lang, no, mag-end na yung enrollment. So we prefer actually na hindi masyadong madami yung participants sa 0 to hero kasi talagang siya, mas maganda kung nafofokusan yung participants. Intensive kasi yan. Welcome yung kahit mga kahit mga high school graduate. Basta marunong ka lang mag-browse ng internet. Tuturuan ka namin from 0 to hero. High school, senior high, pwede. Kahit college graduate pero hindi IT related yung course, pwede. Dati nga may mga matatanda. Sorry for the word. That matatanda mga ang term natin, baby boomers, tama ba? Yung mga, yung mga 50s above. So we are able to really parang tinataasan lang namin yung pasensya because they are eager to learn din naman. Myths?
Yes, if there are no other questions. Going once, going twice. Okay. Thank you so much for attending this session. Look forward to the 4th bootcamp. We will make an announcement in the Facebook group as well. So, yun. Thank you so much, guys, and we hope to see you on the next bootcamp.
Thanks, everyone. See you around.